Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a review on a recent release from Auscision Models, and that of course is their 8-show scale diesel hydraulic railcar set, more specifically the NSWGR DEB set, as you can see here, which as always Auscision does a great job on presenting their models, especially when they're in a set like this, with of course the color drawing here on the front. To see what you're going to find in the box. But yeah, otherwise we'll look at the sticker here on the side. A bit hard with the lighting, but as you can see there, this one is the NSWGR Indian Red, and this comes with DCC and Sound, of which it is lock sound system. And yeah, again, more photos there, or drawings, sorry, and it is of course a 4-car set. So, otherwise, no more details other than a few more drawings, but I'll get this out of the box here if I can. I can take a look at the inside. There we go. As always, Auscision gives you a few pieces here. To begin with, you have a warning label. And then explode diagram for any parts that you may need to find or acquire, and that goes for both the head, engine, and the cars, of course. And this is some more. There's quite a few here, quite a few pieces for the parts. But yeah, otherwise you have your main sheet here featuring instructions on the model features, sound features, any other important information like your functions and warranty and all the rest. So very important to have that on hand, which we will be utilizing that later on when we test the locomotive. So lifting top here, locomotives are just wrapped up in some film and pressed into this protective foam layer, as you can see there. Just quick overview here, I don't believe there are any accessories of note, but yeah, anyway, as you can see here we have the 4 cars. I'll go ahead, unwrap some of these, and we'll take a closer look at them. As you can see now, we have the DEB set out of the packaging and on the rails here. We'll do a brief overview before testing it out. So to begin with, locomotive comes with an ABS plastic shell, but has a die-cast chassis to give it that weight and structure, of course. Details-wise, we've got some separately applied and obviously molded. When it comes to the separately applied, we've got some etched windscreen wipers, brass horn, metal handrails and brake piping, as well as plastic. Just a variety of metal parts all over the locomotive, of course. Obviously you've got all your riveting, grills, windows. The interior is detailed, LED lights of course up the front, and knuckle head couplers between all the cars, of course. Otherwise there is interior lighting as well, I believe. Like I said earlier, this comes with ESU lock sound, so we've got plenty of features that will play as we run the set here, as well as some marker lights and etched grills and driver in the front cab. So otherwise that is a very brief overview. Of course there's plenty more that we could go into detail with, but we'll get right to testing it. So that wraps up our review of Auscision Models HO Scale Deb set in this wonderful NSWGR livery. Overall, fantastic set, runs really well, looks super prototypically accurate. Auscision Models always does a fantastic job with these sets, as you may have seen in previous videos of ours, so I cannot fault them anywhere, to be honest. And of course, these types of sets are just very unique, and obviously unique to Australia specifically, so it is always a pleasure to be able to get your hands on these types of models. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment anything that you'd like to see in the future or any questions that you may have, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.